Hey bitch, it's time to do some front end mods on the 350Z. We decided 9.5s are too gay, so I went in and got some 10.5s.
Big boy teams.
So we got 10.5s all around.
You're probably going to want to pump up the tyre pressure in the front as well, just because it's going to be like mega grippy now, like mega
stretch. Got fucking...
Even with the stretch, we're going to just have grip galore.
We got 235s on fucking 10.5s, and we also got something that came in the mail today. Got a package from GKTech, so front end 350Z plus GKTech. You boys know what is happening. We're going to get some wide lock here. We have a package here. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, did I cut into the box? Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. There you go. GKTech. Oh, money. Huh? Rack spacer, I think. We got boots. Got things that bolt onto the knuckle. It only came with like one rack spacer, right? Oh, wait. So with this rack spacer, Chris, I'm guessing we bolt this side onto the short end and just use this little one for the fucking other side? Or what?
Yeah, that's exactly right. Does it have a second one?
Isn't that it, like, on the thing?
Yeah. Sometimes they have like a slip-on on it, but...
Oh, yeah, isn't
they're like a second slip-on.
Oh.
So you can run bolt-on, slip-on, and a slip-on, but yeah. Bolt-on on the passenger side, and then slip-on on the right side. That's it. We'll take tie rods out, and you'll just go... And you'll get under there, and you go, oh, is this it? And that's it. Like, it's just fucking... Because the steering rack sits this way slightly, so to center it, you just chuck this one on that side, and then you chuck that one on that side. But honestly, don't think... Did Luke Fink run this as well?
I'm guessing so. He had a lot of lock.
But the thing is, because you have the shorter knuckle, you might not actually need that extra lock.
Yeah, fucking, why not have more lock?
Yeah, you will have the option to have more lock, but I feel like you're going to have binding issues before that.
We won't have binding issues.
We'll see.
They didn't say anything about that. We'll be fine. Alright. So Chris is being a clown over here, taking my shit off, and are we going to break anything?
No, hell no!
Oh, fuck.
We're making things work.
So in the kit came with the two fucking rubber boots, but they also came pre-assembled, so like I don't really want to take it all apart because it looks like they did a good job. So I guess I'm fucking these boys off.
We don't need to take
it. It also came with the shorter and longer fucking thing. I think it's for the tie rod, and yeah, so hopefully this will be a very easy install, and we just got our rack spacers as well. And yeah, we'll show you how to chuck her on. So we just...
I need to pretend to hit it off.
Oh, we just fucking take.
See, look, this is what you do. You fucking put the nut on there so you don't hurt the threads, because it's easier to hurt the threads. And you give the big smack this way. Loosens it off. Take the fucking... Take the nut off. And then like
easy.
Easy.
Step one done.
Yeah, I haven't actually put this on, but that there will go here. And yeah, that's it. So this is like more lock, I guess. You got two different amounts of lock. Oh no, sorry. That bolts up to the bottom of your LCA. That's a weird noise. Shit. So your control arm / caster arm thing.
Do you want to actually film this? Because I can't see shit.
Hey. So this is like your caster arm. Yeah, that's your caster. That's like wacky backwards shit. It's wacky, sorry. Oh, can you hold it, John? Yeah, hold it.
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah. No, maybe? Hold up, let me just hold it. Maybe. You can adjust it. Okay. If you hold it there. So we got this piece that bolts onto there. And then this here connects to there. And then this one connects up to that caster arm bolt just underneath there. So 1, 2, 3. You don't even have to take that ball joint out. That literally just goes in. And we just have to take that out. And John's got spacers, so we're going to have to take that boot off. But pretty simple.
I hope that worked. Yeah. I'll explain that again. You got it. We cut it. Ah, shit. A bit dusty. Sorry. At least fucking oil fucking didn't drop out. You don't have a leak, which is nice. Why'd you take off that one?
So I can actually get to the fucking thing, it's just up here. Oh, there. This one here. See these here? This is a big one. These are clips. You have to fucking remove them. See how it moves? Just get the body flathead and just hit them out. You need a flathead.
Okay.
There we go. And that should just pop out. Yeah, that should be enough just to fucking get a... Now we need a shifter. Anti-clockwise on that cunt, and then yeah, and we'll have this tie roof.
Hell yeah.
There we go.
Yeehaw. Beach.
Have to get a bit more power. You see this thumb? You have to have 160 kilo bench press. Then you'll be able to do this easy and nothing. Everything easy now.
How many people can bench press 160?
Yeah, well, don't fucking drift cars then, cunt.
Oh.
Get some balls first.
Jesus.
Man.
You need to go gym.
Why don't you at gym? Because I'm lazy. Get the fuck up, go
I went to gym because I'm sick of my car being stronger than me.
If you have 300 horsepower and you can't deadlift 300 kilos, you are a bitch. That's why I do not have 300 horsepower. Actually, no, my car's probably a little bit over it now, but fuck me, can't.
So Chris is just putting the bolt-on spacer on now. And then
Hell yeah, brother.
slip on the spacer
Hell yeah.
for the other side.
Oh, come on, just gonna...
I think everyone knows this information, but these fucking GKTech kits are very cheap and easiest way to get lock on a 350. And it seems like they've been reliable enough and fucking no one's had issues with them so far. I think the V1s there were issues, but this is the V2 kit that they only sell now, I'm pretty sure, and all the issues are fixed.
You're gonna have to push that in at the same time. Where's that bolt on? So you need to go there. This goes on two. Goes like that. Yeah. I'm gonna, buddy, put those two bolts in.
Hell yeah.
Grab there.
Caster arm goes in here, and then two bolts over here. And that's how it goes in. This bad boy goes over there, goes into there.
Yeah, watch out on that fucking lock stop thing. Look down, yeah, clockwise. What the fuck? Oh, that's fucking, see it now, just need a second one on there.
There's a Spanish.
That's a bit easier than wide.
Yeah. That's a fucking good one. Fuck me.
Trash.
Don't we need that?
No, it's the other tire on.
Oh, I actually fucking...
Yeah, boom. I saw the light bulb go off.
Alright, I understand how it fucking works now.
Oh!
Fuck me. Fuck me, cunt.
So center point is this control arm, right? Now the original knuckle is maybe, I'm going to say, just rough guess from underneath here, 120 mil away from the center point, right?
Where's your center point again?
The control arm here, this is where it goes from.
Oh, yes.
Now that's where it goes from, and now it's being moved in essentially 30 mil, that's all I've done. This is just a bolt-on kit.
Wow.
You could have, actually no, you can't. With the buddy 350 you do need to buy something like this because there's no room to cut and buddy redo it.
Yeah.
So this is actually pretty good. You've done well.
No dodgy cutting shots on 350s, folks.
No, there isn't.
At least we tried. Something we just found out.
Because it's like a fucking add-on thing, so it's opposite.
So
now, because I'm trying to tighten it up onto that, yeah, that's it. just something to be careful of because aluminium is fucking very easy to break. So, and that's how you have extra.
So you gotta tighten it to loosen it.
Righty loosey, lefty tighty.
Ha, correct.
Awesome. So that's how you get extra buddy thing on it as well.
Putting it technically all on. As you can see, I'm just gonna turn my light on. As you can see, everything bolted on. So I've got the tie rods all connected. Then we're gonna do an eye alignment later, then I'm gonna proper alignment later. So pretty much what I did. Caster arm bolt goes here, just bolts onto the knuckle on these two sides. I'm sorry, I can't see if you can see that. But these two sides. And that's it. Now I'm going to do the same to the other side. Chris has just gone to the gym and we'll be back when we're ready to do the alignment. Oh, actually the other thing I need to show you now is that, because this side uses the spacer, the bolt-on spacer. Yeah, that side uses the slip-on, and I'll show you the difference in that when I get there. So something else, forgot to say that these are the factory lock stops along with this bad boy, this bad nipple right here. So you obviously have to get rid of this. I'm guessing we could get rid of that later. We'll fucking wait and see, probably will. And so I don't realise how the GKTech actually works, but it completely replaces this bit of the knuckle. So technically I guess you could grind this bit of the knuckle off, just for clearance issues, if we don't know yet, because we haven't finished it, but if this gets in the way, I guess we could just cut it off completely, because it's we just don't use it anymore. But the good thing about this kit, it is completely reversible, so if you just keep all your parts, you will be able to bring it back to stock if you decide to sell your car, or you just don't want to have that much lock anymore. Alright, I'm going to get this side off and continue filming when I get up to that rack spacer. So I've got my rack spacer here, the slide-on one. So once you get your tie rod out, you take your tie rod. Sorry, just switch hands. You take your tie rod end out there. Then the part that goes into the rack, you just put your spacer on. Ooh. Fuck. There we go, and that's it. And you put it back into your rack, and that's the spacer done. And everything else is the same as the other side, I'm fairly sure. If not, I'll let you know. So, just another look. As you can see, the spacer just slides right in, and you just bolt it back in. The spacers it out a bit. So, both sides have now been completed. We just need to do a quick eye alignment. But before we do that, I'll show you how much lock we're getting. Can't hold the steering wheel at the same time. You can see. You can see that lock stop, that nipple, is now hitting here. So I'm going to go ahead and remove that and see how much more I can get. So, as you can see, this is where it was about before with the lock stop, but I've obviously deleted it, so I'll just turn the wheel here. And that's how it is now. Holy shit.
How are you, sir?
Yo, Chris, have a look at this shit. So that's about where it was with that nipple, that lock stop.
Yeah.
And
oh, you just locked off one?
yeah, have a look at this. Can you film it from there, actually?
Yeah, actually.
It's really cool.
Where from? From here?
Oh,
there you go. You just took the lock top off?
yeah, no, just that big nipple.
No, it's true. It's not been putting myself down. It's fucking true.
I'm saying you're doing good. I'm saying you're doing good.
So I deleted the lock stop on this side, and it's not even funny. As you can see,
Well, I'm
again,
silent to me, motherfucker. Don't touch me like that.
Looks like I'll have
My
much
dick
more
will be
lock.
hard.
Jesus
Nigga,
Christ.
my dick already hard.
Oh!
Boy, this make my dick hard. Boy.
So, we'll have a lot of
I'm
luck,
calling the police.
but we don't, it's obviously going to be very different. Fuck me. It's going to be very different once it's on the ground and wheels are on, because I don't know what's going to hit. But GKTech seems to work. Why have I lucked out, Chris?
Feel the inside, feel the caster arm. On my side, come over here. Feel the inside, you're not touching.
What, on this side?
Yeah, so inside the caster arm, you can probably see it from the top. So that inside caster arm. So generally, I'll get under. So generally you'll hit there. You're off it.
Fuck it.
But the good thing is, John, because you have a big offset wheel with the spacer, you're not touching anything, and you have the stretch wheel. You see, if you didn't have the stretch wheel, you'd actually be hitting.
Oh,
so you've done pretty much everything in your capabilities to get it away from everything, and you've done well.
Hell yeah. Well, luckily we got stretch wheel.
Usually you have to tell people like, oh, you need to get a bigger wheel, and they go, oh, I have no money. I got these fucking like 16-inch wheels. Will they work? And you're like, yeah, maybe if you like put 2 bolt-ons on, but you've got a 10.5. Well, 10.5 is probably not the best thing, but you've got a big offset wheel with a spacer means it's gonna. With the stretch tire, you fucking proper brought it out.
Alright.
So yeah, tighten up everything underneath, and you should be fucking.
Aight.
Good.
Hell yeah. Look at that fucking lock. Oh my god. Fuck yes. Can't wait to put it on the ground just to see 10.5s all around.
Well, you need to like tighten up everything.
Yeah, I know. Fuck me. I got luck.
Oh my god, Jonathan! God damn!
Bitch. This man doing it for the damn clout, I swear to God. So, now that we have it all eye-lined, make sure you do up everything tight. Go through everything, and then make sure you put the boots back on. You might have to use new zip ties for that. But it should be all good now, and we'll drop it on the ground, see how it looks. Oh, finally on the ground now. 10.5s all round. Oh boy, big dish time. Oh boy, I really wish my car was clean. Didn't have this mud sprayed all over it. I don't know how that happened. Oh boy, looking good. All we need now is coilovers and to fix our handbrake. Oh boy. Hell yeah.